guys, my name is Shirley and welcome to my channel. In today's video, as the title suggests, we are just going to be doing a little bit of an exciting unboxing. Gosh, can I just say I love unboxings? Like, oh, I love unboxing things. Anyways, a few weeks ago, I went shopping on the Apple website to buy a few things. Those few things being a few accessories as well as AirTags. I just thought I'd unbox that with you guys today. So yeah, let's get straight into the unboxing. Oh wow, the lighting here is so much better. Wow, I should have just started the video here. My goodness. I had to switch up the angles a bit just so that you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Maybe let's start off with opening up the leather keyring. I only decided to opt for one AirTag because I couldn't really think of any other use cases besides just attaching them to my keys. I don't have any pets that I want to attach it to. I don't really lose my bags. I don't really use a wallet anymore these days just because like everything's online. So yeah, I just couldn't think of another use case for it. So that's why I opted to buy just the pack of one. So yeah, let's open this one up. I don't even know how to open it. Like, is it at the bottom? Do I like pull it out from the bottom? Ah, see, you gotta read the labels. There's a little green thingy-mabob that I can pull. Okay, let's pull the green thingy-mabob. And now let's bring it out. Oh baby, yes! Yes! Look at that shade of brown. I feel like the camera's just not doing it justice. And now I love that it's matching my phone. Like, honestly, why have we not been on this brown earlier? Like, wow. I absolutely love it. Super lightweight. The leather feels really nice. It's a bit softer than the leather that's on my iPhone case, but then that makes sense because this is meant to be relatively hard. But yeah, leather feels good. The silver hardware feels good. It's shiny. You can see it's good quality. Yeah, I'm quite impressed with the keyring. Guess I've never really thought that much about a keyring, but I'm quite impressed with this keyring. Now let's go into opening up the AirTag itself. So a few things have come up. I've got a bit of paperwork that's come out, of which I don't really care much for. I don't believe these come with Apple stickers. It's just papers that no one ever reads. And then the actual AirTag itself will be in here. So open it up. Oh, open it up. And ta-da-ta-ta! We have an AirTag. I did request a customized emoji. I just got this one. I don't know, I just thought it looked cool. It would add a bit of edginess. Oh, didn't really notice my nails need cleaning. I think it needs me to pull, so I'm gonna pull on this little thing. And I think that automatically, oh, that was a little sound. Oh, you're joking. You're absolutely joking. I need to do a software update. This whole time I thought my phone was up to date. I'm gonna do the software update. I hope it does this quick. What a joke. I guess for anyone who's ordered an AirTag, make sure your phone is up to date first. Otherwise you're gonna have to wait for the install and update to process before you can actually start using your AirTag. In the meantime, I guess we can kind of just have a look at the AirTag itself. It is a bit larger than I thought it would be. It's not like overly large. For anyone who lives in Australia, I'd say it's somewhere between the size of a 20-cent piece and a 50-cent coin. It's not overly heavy. I feel like it's lighter than a coin, like a $2 coin. Let's go ahead and put the AirTag in the actual keyring. And then I'll attach the keyring to my phone, and then we'll kind of do the setup thing once my phone installs. So this is the final product, just adding the Apple keyring to my normal keyring. Alright, so my phone about 30 minutes later, maybe even 45 minutes later, has finally updated. So now let's see if we can try to connect this AirTag. Alright, so let's get straight into it. So connect. Keys. So it's asking me to register it, link it to my Apple ID. Oh, made a little beep. View and find my. Okay. Continue. So this is like what you see when you go into the Find My app, which is pretty cool. It's showing me the name, it's showing the battery, which is really cool because I didn't know how you'd keep track of battery on this. I have heard battery lasts long, like at least more than 12 months. So that's pretty good, and it's just like an easy battery you can get like from Kmart or like Target or whatever. All right, so let's play the sound. Yeah, it's not as loud as I would like. Like my device is quite far, like let's say it's at the other end of the house. I don't know how I would find it. I'm going to compare it to the sound of my watch buzzing my phone. So this is a beep that my watch makes when I've lost my phone. See, that's loud. Like I can find my phone. That's good. Now listen to the beep of the AirTag. It's okay, like it's not terrible, but I would have preferred if it had this sound. See, like I can always find my phone with that sound. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do a little quick test. Obviously I don't have anyone to actually hide my keys from me so that I actually have to go find the keys, but I'm just gonna put it on the other end of the house and I'm gonna see how well the sound goes and if the thing can actually find it. Let me just pop it underneath this elephant of ours that's in the foyer. Going back to my room now, a little bit of a walk. Excuse the boxes, did a bit more unboxing. Going back. All right, let's see if you can find it. Okay, so it's saying that it's with me, but clearly it's not with me because it's somewhere in the house, but I don't know where. Find. Okay, so I'm guessing I'm too far away for it to know where it's at. Okay, so it's not gonna find it that way because I'm too far. So let me say play sound. Okay, AirTag not reachable. So how do I find my keys? Okay, maybe I need to put it into lost mode. Again, not playing the sound. AirTag not reachable. I guess the way that it would tell me where it's at is pretty much on the map. From the options that I hear of playing sound or using precision finding, it's too far away. So let's say I'm in a rush to get out of the house and I know my keys are at the house. It's looking like it's not going to be very helpful because I can see that my keys are in the house, but I want to know where in the house they are. I'm going to start moving around the house and then we'll see when it's going to start picking it up. So I'm quite close to the device actually. It's not that far. Like I'm standing here. The device is just at that front door. Okay, so now it's connected. All right, so this is, I guess, is like gives you an indication of how far it needs to be to start. So it's starting from pretty much 7 meters. So I'd say maybe 10 meters when it starts registering. So it's finding, but it's not taking me anywhere. It's not giving me any arrows or anything. So I could go this way. Okay, now it's popped up. Okay, nearby, okay, but where? Okay, I'm getting some haptic feedback now. So it's nearby. I'm moving further away. Okay, it's telling me to go back. Okay, I'm getting some haptic feedback. I can tell that it's pretty much here. All right, and I'll pull out the keys. Found. Okay. All right guys, so just a quick first impression. So let's talk design. So I feel like in terms of design, Apple did a really good job. Like the design of this thing is really beautiful. I think the design that I like the most is actually the keyring. I feel like the keyring is just so pretty. It's so lovely. The leather is strong. It feels like it's going to be quite durable. It's perfectly stitched. Like the stitching on this is beautiful. The silver hardware is shiny. It's nice. So in terms of this keyring design, I feel like it's very nice. The clasp feels like it clips on quite strong. In terms of the keyring, I'd give it like a solid 10 out of 10. In terms of the design of the actual AirTag itself, I reckon I'm going to give it like a 7.9 out of 10. So I love the size of the AirTag. It's not too big, not too bulky. I love the color white. I wish it was a bit smaller. For instance, if I wanted to put this in my wallet, it would be way too thick for my wallet. It's not so much about the size, like how big it is. It's more about the thickness. So I wish it was a bit thinner. I love the fact that you can put your own emojis on there and your own initials. That really makes it personal. It really customizes it a fair bit. And I feel like it'll be a good way to differentiate between your AirTags. Let's say you've got 4 but you don't know which AirTag is attached to which one. You can kind of memorize it based off emojis as well. In terms of actual functionality, I feel like I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. So I feel like it's quite good. Like obviously it gave me the address of where my keys were. I just wish the sound was louder, but I guess it makes sense why the sound is soft because the sound isn't always activated. It looks like the sound feature is only available from when you're relatively close to the device. Oh, I just got a notification on my watch. Remember how I put it in lost mode? I just got a notification saying Shirley's keys, this item was seen at X address. So there we go. So I guess it kind of gave me a notification of when my device was found. Precision tracking was was quite good. I'd give that one a solid 8.9 out of 10. So that was quite good, but again, it's a distance thing. Like, it would be really good to see them be able to track things like with the sound and precision tracking from as far as, like, you know, a kilometer away. That would be pretty cool. That probably wouldn't work actually. Yeah, maybe a kilometer's too far, but from like a wider space. Like, for instance, you could tell I was in the same house, I wasn't even that far away from the device, but it wasn't even picking it up. But anyways, these are just like my initial thoughts. Overall, I do quite like it. Happy to have it. It's something that, you know, it's kind of just lays there dormant. It's something that I'm hoping not to need to use, because I'm hoping I don't lose my keys. But if I do lose my keys, it's kind of good to have that sense of comfort that I've got my AirTag attached to it. The AirTag price, I feel like it's fair for what the product does. I feel like it's a quite fair price. The keyring and the accessories I do feel like are a bit steep, but you can get like things from like Belkin and like other cheaper options and stuff. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys have liked it. I am feeling really tired, as you can probably tell, so I'm gonna call it a day. You enjoy. Thanks guys, bye.